Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports eSIM and that you already have the QR or activation code. Once confirmed, connect to stable Wi-Fi and update MIUI. Make sure the phone battery is above 50% so the process won't abort, and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy. Then open Settings and go straight to SIM settings. Don't wander. This gets you into the panel where you'll actually add the eSIM profile. It avoids avoidable errors and speeds activation. You now add the eSIM profile. Open Settings, tap SIM cards and mobile networks, then choose Add eSIM. Scan the carrier QR code using the phone camera or type the activation code when prompted. Once done, the device downloads the profile and shows provisioning status. Make sure you assign roles. Select which line handles mobile data, calls, and SMS, so the phone knows how to route traffic. If you need dual lines, label them clearly. Once the profile installs, you'll be ready to configure usage preferences. You finish by selecting the default line for mobile data and choosing which SIM handles calls and messages. Once done, verify signal and data connectivity. If you replaced a physical SIM, remove it or keep both lines enabled for dual SIM use and label them in settings so you don't mix lines. If activation fails, reboot the phone and retry scanning the QR, verify network access, and make sure carrier activation window is open. If problems persist, contact carrier support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.